Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold had a really nice push down today, and look at this right here. One break of structure, two, three waves up, engulfing to the downside. Another perfect almost ABC pullback. Those are exactly the trades that I would be looking for continuations of trends. Now, I do suspect that this is three waves down, three waves up, and potentially it's going to, end up making five waves down for like a flat pattern. I think it's likely a wave four on the much higher time frames. So it's kind of hard to see, but I got my Fibonacci retracement on just this little push right here, which is the black Fibonacci levels. If you see one, two, three waves up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels with an engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. Unless it goes up and breaks structure to the upside, definitely looking for shorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. So we do have a little bit of stuff on the news calendar in the next 24 hours. We got the Aussie GDP coming out this evening. That should be a pretty decent one. We also have Canadian interest rate coming out tomorrow in the New York session. They are predicting to lower interest rate 25 basis points tomorrow, so that should definitely do something. And we do have a U.S. job openings report coming out tomorrow, so definitely some things to keep an eye out for. Most major turns in the market do happen around news events, so hopefully we'll get some nice turns tomorrow. And it is Wednesday. Wednesday is known to be one of the most volatile days of the week, so hopefully we'll get some nice moves in the market tomorrow. But anyways, for now, as always, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and thank you and happy trading.